2022 GMC Sierra 2500HD. With less than 54,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as cross-traffic alert, side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, premium sound system, multi-zone air conditioning, 4-wheel drive, blind spot monitor, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, passenger seat adjustable lumbar support. Ready to take home the car of your dreams?